Hello viewers, welcome to my channel once again. In previous video, we have taken a glance on 4-mark question as well as 5-mark question. So now in this video, we are going to take a glance on 3-mark question, 2-mark question as well as 1-mark question. Okay, so now here you can see 3-mark question. From 3-mark question, which chapters will be important, we'll see. So first thing is what most popular thing over here is construction of similar triangles. Okay, so here as we have discussed, sometime they may ask construction for 4 marks. So here mainly they are going to ask the construction for 3 mark. Okay, so construction of similar triangles. Okay, so you have to study and you have to work hard for the construction. So construction is like very easy, right? So you can easily easily take over here 3 marks from the construction chapter. So next thing is what here, theorems on circle. Okay, so now here you can see theorems on circle. This is also most important because here only 2 theorems are there, right? So among that 2 theorems, one will be compulsory for you. Okay, so next thing is what, ogives. Okay, so here you can see from ogive, it is also like very important and very easy. You can easily score over here 3 marks. So here you can see less than ogive, more than ogive they can give, and both less than and more than ogive they can give. Sometimes what they'll do, they can give less than ogive, draw less than ogive curve, and find the median they can give. And again, both less than and more than curve you have to draw, and sometimes they may give to find the median also. Okay, so now here let us see the next chapter, that is statistics. From statistics, as we have discussed, sometimes they may ask like questions from statistics in 4-mark questions also. So mainly they are going to ask mean, median, mode over here in 3-mark questions. Okay, so now for that sake, mean, median and mode are like statistics. As I told you, statistics is very easy. First one thing is what, you have to understand the concept properly. Okay, so first thing is what, you have to study mean formula. You have to by heart all the formulas of mean, median and mode. Okay, so next thing is some applications of trigonometry. Here also the same thing may occur, like statement problems they may give, like finding the height of the tower, finding the distance between the height of the tower, angle of elevation, angle of depression, everything will come over here. Okay, so here as you can see, the next chapter is trigonometry over here. So from trigonometry, they may ask here applied level problems. Applied level problems in the sense, they may occur in your book also. Sometimes they may give from outside. Okay, so for that sake, what you have to see, what you have to do over here is you have to deal with proper problems, and like what you have to do, you have to practice more and more problems from the chapter trigonometry. Then only you can attempt this applied level problems. Okay, so next thing is what over here is polynomials. So from the chapter polynomials, they may give, sometimes I have noted over here 3 points. You can see they may give you to find the quotient and remainder, and verify division algorithm, and finding the g of x, etc. These kind of the problems may come from the chapter polynomials. Okay, so next thing is what, coordinate geometry. This is also, coordinate geometry is also very easy chapter. You can easily solve by using, first thing is what, you have to by heart the formulas over here. Okay, so if you'll by heart the formula, you can easily solve these problems from the coordinate geometry. Okay, so first thing is what, here they can give like 3 vertices of a triangle, and they may easily give finding the area of triangle by using the formula you can find. Okay, so next thing is what, by using the section formula, midpoint formula, combined problem they can give. Okay, from the coordinate geometry. Next thing is what, real numbers. So this is also very important and very easy. So if you will practice only one problem, then you can easily solve different problems from this chapter, real numbers. That is nothing but here root 2. Proof that root 2, root 3, it is a rational number, that you have to prove. Okay. Okay, so here a small mistake, root 2, root 3 is irrational number. Okay, so irrational number, that you have to prove over here from real number chapter. So what you can see, the next chapter over here is area of the shaded region, next concept. Okay, so they may give like I can in preparatory you can see this rectangle and 2 circles they have given. So this remaining part was shaded over here. This is shaded region, right? So what they may give here, you have to find the area of shaded region by using the given information in the question. Okay, so now these kind of the problems may occur. As you can see, this problem was appeared in like preparatory, right? Preparatory examination. So the next question over here is statement problems on quadratic equation. As we have studied, as we have seen, these kind of the problems in quadratic equation, the some of the statement problems may occur in quadratic equation. Okay, so now next thing is what again here is arithmetic progression again. So as we have seen in 4-mark question, arithmetic progression problem was there. So here also sometimes arithmetic progression some of 3-mark question may occur in arithmetic progression. Okay, so here also you have to study like more and more formulas from the arithmetic progression chapter, and you have to practice more and more problems from the arithmetic progression. Then only you can easily score here. Okay, good marks. So next thing is surface areas and volumes. So here you can see, as we have seen, from 3 marks only 9 questions will be there. So why I am telling over here the more and more chapter? So only we should not prepare till here. So sometimes they may ask like extra topics also. So extra topics are nothing but here from 10th number. You can see these are the extra topics what they can ask over here for you. So you have to be prepared, well prepared for that also. Okay, so let us see the 2-mark questions. So 2-mark questions here, area related to circles. Again, as I have told you in 3-mark question. So here also they may ask area related to circles, find the area of the shaded region, everything. So here also you have to be well prepared. Okay, so here then in construction 2-mark question, construction of tangents it may come. Okay, so there we saw that in 3 marks and 4-mark question we have seen that construction of similar triangles were given, right? Similar triangles. So here you can see construction of tangents. Okay, so next thing is problems based on theorems on triangle. So some of the figure they'll give you to find the some of the like if suppose they are giving here the triangle, they may give the length of this, and length of this. They may tell you to find the length of this, right? So these kind of the problems based on Thales theorem and many theorems it may come. Okay, so next thing is what again? Probability. So probability also very easy. So here they may ask the problems based on the rolling of 2 dice, rolling of 2 coins, and picking up the balls, marbles from a bag. Okay, so these kind of the problems may come from the chapter probability. So next thing is what again here is distance formula and midpoint formula. As we have discussed this in 3 marks questions, section formula. So here you have to study the distance formula, midpoint formula. Based on this 2 marks problem may come. Okay, so now here the main thing is what so they may find the distance from the origin, right? They'll give the one point and they'll find the distance from the origin. Then you have to take one coordinate as 0, 0, and you have to find by using the distance formula. Okay, so next thing is what again? From arithmetic progression. Okay, so an, Sn related sum and an, this kind of the problems may come over here from the arithmetic progression. Okay, so an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so these kind of the problems may come. So for that sake I told you that from arithmetic progression you have to focus on formulas. Okay, so next chapter is pair of linear equations. So 3 methods. So 3 methods, which are the 3 methods over here? Like substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Sometimes they'll give, so they'll give directly over here solve for x and y. So I think I suggest that all the methods you have to practice, you should know about that, but only one, they'll not give like solve by using cross multiplication method, solve by using substitution method, solve by using elimination method. So till this they have not given any kind of the problems like this. So this time they may give, isn't it? So for that sake, you have to be prepared with the three methods, that is substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Okay, so next thing is what over here is solve by formula method or by using the formula. That is nothing but this is the chapter quadratic equation. As you know, minus bx will be equals to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is your formula. Yes, so by using formula method also you can solve the quadratic equation. And again, the nature of roots and finding the discriminant d. Okay, so these kind of the problems may occur from the chapter quadratic equation. So again, the thing is what over here, so in 2 marks, only 8 questions will be there. So till this, you have to be perfect. After that, you have to take a glance on again trigonometry. They may ask and prove that this is a irrational number. Okay, and finding they may give the two numbers and they'll give you to find the LCM as well as HCF. And again, prime factorization. This kind of the problems may occur. So next thing is again the area and volume, some applications of trigonometry. Okay, so till this you have to be perfect. Again, you have to take a glance on these chapters. Okay, so next thing is what, again we will move on to the 1 mark questions. Okay, so here 1 mark questions like it may include MCQs, multiple choice question, along with that very short answer. Okay, so first we will see formula. Okay, so the main thing over here, you want to score 1 marks, you want to score over here means 1 mark is also very important, right? So for that sake, we should not neglect this 1 marks. Yes, so what you have to do over here is you have to by heart all the formulas which will be present in the chapter surface area and volumes. Okay, so next thing is what, circles. So number of tangents can be drawn from the external point. That kind of the question they may ask. Next thing is small calculations based on Thales theorem. As I told you in 2 mark question also, same thing they'll give, like one figure they will give, some of the length they may give, and they'll give you to find the another length. Okay, so that kind of the small calculation based on the Thales theorem may come. So next thing is again trigonometry, ratio identities. Yes, so by using the sine square theta, by using the identities like sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So that kind of the identity you may use in this chapter for 1 marks. Next thing is ratios. Sine theta will be is equals to this much, like 5/7. Then you have to calculate other trigonometric ratios. Okay, so next thing is arithmetic progression. So find the value of the 12th term of an arithmetic progression, 20th term of an arithmetic progression, like this. Okay, so etc. This kind of the problems may occur over here. So next thing again here, polynomials. For a given f of x, you have to find the value of f of 1, value of f of 2. They may give f of minus 1, f of minus 2. So here you have to find the value of f of x. Okay, so next thing is here probability again. So they may give, as you have studied, sure event, impossible event, right? So again, some of the problems, mainly this formula is very, very important. That is nothing but probability of E plus probability of not E is equals to 1. So by using this problem formula, you can solve the problems based on the probability. Okay, so they may ask. Okay, so next thing is graph of a polynomial. So you have to, by using this, by seeing this graph, you have to find the number of zeros. Okay, so number of zeros. So next thing is what, again here is the statement of all the theorems. As I have told you in 4 mark question, you have to by heart the statement of all the theorems. State Thales theorem, state basic proportionality theorem, state Pythagoras theorem, state converse of Pythagoras theorem. They may give, isn't it? So next thing is again standard form of everything, like standard form of quadratic equation, standard form of arithmetic progression. So what you have to do here is you have to note down all the standard form in your notebook. Okay, and you have to take a glance when you are going before to the exam. So next thing is again nature of the graph. by using a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2. So by using this you can easily identify whether the given thing is like given graph is parallel or whether they are coincide. Okay, so that you can easily find out. So next thing is, again they may give the two numbers and they'll give you to find the HCF or LCM of the given number. So here till here we have discussed about all the things, like we have covered everything: multiple choice questions, very short answers, and 2 mark question, 3 mark question, 4 marks and 5 marks.